you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I'm gonna do my nails tonight, so I've taken off this hand, but you know, we got a little bit right here. Today, the wig that we are going to be installing is from UNICEHAIR. I know I did another install with a highlighted wig where they sent me a bob this time. This bob is in 8 inches, you guys, so I didn't really cut it a lot. I kind of cut it like right here and right here, just so I can get like the little effect or whatever. And then, you know, I curled with the bangs or whatever. So inside the box, they gave me your classic wig cap, and they gave me the little thing that you use to tighten the wig. So we are going to jump straight into this install, you guys, but stay tuned towards the end because I will be announcing the rules and everything to my 20K giveaway. So yes, you guys, let's get started.
Okay, you guys, so first I want to say thank you so much, UNICEHAIR, for sending me this hair and sponsoring this giveaway. But yes, you guys, I customized the wig, plucked it a little bit, and I put my makeup on the cap. So now we are positioning the wig, just trying to see like how I want it. So I'm using my Bold Hold glue, and I'm going to do 3 layers. Okay, so now I am positioning my wig, trying to get it lined up to where I put the glue at. And you guys, if you kind of position it wrong, you want to hurry up and reposition it because you can still like have time to do it. So now I am pressing my comb into my hair, trying to get the lace really like on the glue, trying to get it laid. And now I'm following up with my hot comb just to give it like that laid look before I start cutting the lace. I'm spraying a little bit of Got2b glue spray just on the edges to give it a even more firmer hold before I go ahead and put my elastic band over the lace to get it to lay more. So yeah, now you see I'm putting my elastic band on, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I usually blow dry it for about 30 minutes, or then I just go around, walk around the house, just let it sit, and then I will come back and take it off. So now I'm taking my elastic band off and just brushing through my hair to make sure that everything is still like flexible, like the glue and stuff didn't like freeze my hair. And so now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my lace. I used to cut my ear part first, but I like to wait and then do everything like together, because if you watch my other videos, you will know that I do have a new technique of doing lace. Not a new technique, but like something I'm just following for now on. So I'm using my razor, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace. And you want to make sure that you cut off all the parts that don't have glue on it. So you guys will see me cutting off some hair even. That's because they didn't have any glue on it, but it still gave me that good look that I needed. And also when you're cutting, like you're about to see on this side, if you see like a bold line on your lace, that's completely fine and okay, because you can still melt it. Because if we're not done laying the hair, like you're just cutting off the lace, we still have to melt it. But on my other side, I did cut it like very, very well, like it looked melted. But on this side, you kind of see like the lines a little bit, but that's completely fine. So if you see that when you're cutting your hair, don't get discouraged. So now you see me press it on my hair. I took some of my liquid mousse and I put it on my finger, and I just like pressed it on the edges just to make it get like a laid more look. And now I'm using Sea Breeze to like clean the edges of my hair, because I don't use alcohol anymore because my skin is very sensitive. So Sea Breeze really works for me. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb again, just giving it more of that laid look. You know, we're going to repeat a lot of these steps a lot, but that's all you have to do to get your hair really laid. So now what I'm doing is I'm separating my baby hairs, and I'm going to go ahead and isolate those, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair and then wrap it with my elastic band as well. And I'm using my Chi Flex spray. I would suggest that you guys go and get this spray because this spray helps you get the really laid look. So I'm spraying my hair with my Flex spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and blow dry it. And I usually blow dry this for probably like 10-20 minutes maybe, and then like I walk around the house and do some stuff while I'm waiting for it to dry. So now, yeah, so y'all see that it is laid. It's laid, you know. So I'm just hot combing my baby hairs so it can be a little bit more laid when I'm doing it. And this time I didn't really show you guys a lot of the baby hairs because I got kind of frustrated at first, so I had to go off camera and finish my baby hairs. But I'm just cutting them now before I'm starting to lay them down. And I would say cut them as good as you feel, and you can go back and cut some more. Don't cut them too short in the beginning. You can always go back and cut it a little bit more if you feel like your baby hairs is too long. Okay, so now I'm using my Nairobi. I hope I said it right. Nairobi. I don't know, y'all. I be messing that foam up. But I'm putting it all over my baby hairs, and as you guys know, if you watch my videos, you know I don't like putting it all over my hair. I just like doing it section by section. And after I'm done doing the baby hairs, I'm going to wrap my hair with 2 wrap strips, and I'm going to wrap my tights over my hair as well. And as you can see, that was what was messing me up, the baby hair, so I had to go off camera and finish them. Okay, so now I'm taking off my wrap strips. I like to cut them and take them off instead of like taking them off from the back. And as you guys can see, the wrap strips will get that lace laid. Now, this is not the last step. A lot of people think after you take the wrap strips off, like your style is final. That's why I like to do mine and then start styling my hair. So this is just to get my baby hairs laid, and I will go back and like kind of perfect my baby hairs how I really want them to be, or you can comb them out so they can look more natural and things like that. That's a new tip that I realized. Instead of using gel, I really like using this better because the gel will hold them, but the styling foam will just have them firm, and then you can go ahead and like brush your baby hairs out if you would like to. So I'm just putting the foam on my hair because it did get kind of firm, and I'm just like loosening it up a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair. This I didn't have enough lace. I didn't have enough parting space to like really make a side part, so I had to do like the little swoop side part. But yeah, so now I'm spraying my Flex spray on my hair as well, like where the edges are, and I'm going to wrap that for about 5 minutes and then take it right back off, and then I'm going to start styling my hair. So I did go ahead and I curled the rest of my hair and stuff off camera because you guys, it was like 3-4 o'clock in the morning at this time. I started really late, so I just really wanted to get done. But yes, you guys, these girls are so cute. But as you can see, I'm going to go back with my curler and try to kind of like define my curls on the other side. But however, I did end up just straightening that other side, as you guys are going to see. But yes, you guys, that is it for my install. And now we're going to go to the next day because I didn't really do my initial review and stuff until the next day because it was so late when I got done. Like I got done and like, I don't even think I went to sleep. I think I went to sleep at 7 o'clock in the morning because when I got done, I couldn't go to sleep. But I was still looking tired, so I didn't want to finish the video right after I got done.
Okay, you guys, so like I said before, when I did my hair, it was, I think I started at 2 o'clock in the morning. So after I put the curls and stuff in it, I went to bed, and you know, today is the next day. I really love this hair. This hair is very soft as always, just like the last wig was. The lace blended so well, you guys. Like, let me show y'all the other side. Yeah, this lace blended so well. Ooh, hold on, I messed up the bang. I would really recommend this wig for beginners because the hair is so soft, the lace was so good. I think my favorite part about this look is the bang, you guys. I did curl this side at first, but then I went ahead and just straightened it out today. But the bang is really my favorite, like my favorite of this look. Yes, you guys, y'all go cop. All the information for this hair will be down below, so you guys check the description for that. Okay, you guys, so giveaway details. Yay! Okay, so first I would like to say thank you all for getting me to 20K, you guys. I said I was going to do a giveaway at 10K, but you know, the giveaway is here and we're at 20K. So before I state the rules, I would like to say if you are not chosen for this giveaway, I will have more giveaways coming soon, so don't be too pressed, honey, because you will probably be next. First, what you will need to do is you need to follow me on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Second, you will need to follow Uni's hair store on AliExpress. Third, you'll need to follow Unice_AliExpress on Instagram. And third, what you will need to do is go on the Unice website, and the link for that will be down below. Go ahead and clear your cart if you already have any existing like hair or anything that you were going to buy. Clear your cart, put your 2 favorite hairstyles in the cart, take a screenshot and send it to Unice email, or you can send it to their DM on their Instagram. So the email and everything will be down below. All of the rules will be down below, you guys, so make sure you read them thoroughly and make sure you follow every step, click the links and everything, and do everything that you're supposed to do, and you will be successfully entered into the giveaway. Now, if you guys do not follow those steps, you will not be entered into the giveaway. There will be 4 winners for this giveaway. So the first prize is a 10-inch 150 density wig. The second winner will get a $50 coupon, so you guys can put that towards the wig that you want to buy from unice.com. And the third and fourth winner will receive a $30 coupon to go towards your wig or any type of hair that you have in your cart. So the winners will be chosen in 7 days. And also, if you are one of the winners, you have 72 hours to respond, or else we'll give it to somebody else. I'm real excited for this giveaway. I can't wait to see who wins. Make sure you guys follow all of the directions so that you guys can be actually eligible to win. So make sure you click the links and everything that is in the description that's on the rules so you guys can win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos.